everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making one of Nigerians' most beloved dish, Efo Riro. Whether you're a seasoned cook or you're just trying this for the first time, this recipe will have your taste bud dancing. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so right now. Thank you. Let's dive right into cooking. So in my pot I have my proteins. I'm using cow leg and tripe for this recipe. So I went in with my chopped onions, my ginger powder, my seasoning cube and cayenne pepper for some heat. Allowed that steam for about 5 minutes. Then I went in with water to allow the meat to cook through. Next, I'll go ahead and prep my pepper. I'll be using shombo, which is red bell pepper, and onions for this recipe. I'll just roughly chop that up in my food processor and set that aside. At this point, I think my meat should be ready, so I'm just going to check that with a fork, and when the fork goes through it smoothly, then yes, it's ready. In another pot, we're going with our palm oil and just allow that bleach for like 3 minutes or so. Then we're just going to go in with our pepper mix. We're going with locust beans and allow that fry on medium heat for like 5 minutes, just until the oil starts to float on it or until the pepper reduces. Just to loosen that up a bit, I'm going to go in with some of the stock from the meat and season that up with crayfish, seasoning cube and salt. Now that the pepper is properly fried, I'm going to add my meat and just allow that simmer for another 5 minutes. I also went in with mackerel fish just to spice the soup up a little. After a few minutes, I'm going to take out the fish before I add my vegetables so it doesn't break while I mix my vegetable in. I'm going to be using Swiss chard for this. It's also called pazi in Turkish. So I'm just going to mix that all up and go back in with my fish and our soup is ready, just like that. It's that simple. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please I'm begging you, please subscribe and give this video a like, a thumbs up, and share to your friends. I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.